You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. For more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll definitely want to learn from and listen to. Yang is how it's pronounced. It's originally from Chinese, Mandarin. In English, the pronunciation is similar. Yang. There's no really a G, it's an ang sound. It's not yang. Rather, how to pronounce English pronunciation. Yang. Also Chinese pronunciation. Yang. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.